So many new merch updates here at World of Disney. Let me show them to you. Fall time Starbucks tumbler with the orange handle right there. This is being sold for $49.99. And here's a look at the design. This just arrived today. There's a straw. And they have a lot of them available. And also, this one here is a smaller design. Different lid, of course. It's being sold for $27.99. But this also is new as well. Park Days and Lattes. $29.99 for this adult hat here. All black with a simple Mickey pumpkin there in the middle. Let me show you guys the back. Disneyland there in orange letters. Skipper buy. $99.99 for this Mickey Halloween pumpkin wreath that you can put on your door or wherever. This here is called Halloween bark. Looks like there's a variety of different ingredients. Comes in this cool box. And they have a lot of them, $24.99. And right next to it is this little $11.49 Minnie. And you can see there's some candy there on the inside. I'm gonna try to see if there's a Mickey version of that. But they do have some pumpkin spice frosted pretzels here. These look cool. These are being sold for $11.99. $34.99 for the bubble wands. And it comes with the liquid down there. $74.99 for this adult jersey Halloween edition. There's a look at the front design with the buttons. And let me show you guys the back side here of this jersey. It's not stitched on. I would have liked to see it be stitched on. The letters are kind of stitched on. But there's a look at the jersey there. They also have a matching version for the kids, which is being sold for $49.99. And let me show you guys the back side of this one here. $27.99 for this mug. There's a look at the lid right there. Looks like it's Donald and Daisy there in the back. And they have a lot of them available here. It looks like this year's Halloween pillow is combined. Years before they were separate, like the Minnie and the Mickey one. Anyways, this is what they look like. $34.99 for this Halloween globe, snow globe. Happy Halloween there. If you guys like ornaments, you're gonna like this part of my video. I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of all the ornaments here. $26.99 for this one here. And right up ahead is this one. And next we have this one here. Chip and Dale Pirate Edition. And that's about it. Here's another pillow, $29.99. Very soft. So look at the back side. This is part of the original Squishmallows. So in my original Halloween merch video, I told you guys that here on the corners, they would start adding some decor. It looks like they have added this left side. And then here on the right side, they have added some new decor up there as well. $22.99 here for this Stitch Halloween plushie. There's also a Mickey version, which is right next to him over here. And I believe he's the same price, $29.99. Yeah, he is. There they are. Here's a look at a new Hocus Pocus t-shirt for adults. I remember a while ago there was a Hocus Pocus shirt that was being sold out everywhere. But there's this one now. Skipper buy on this one. Here's a look at a keychain being sold for $14.99. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the details on this keychain. All right, everyone, that's going to be it for today's video. There's still so much more to arrive. It's just the first week of August, and there's so many updates. But I will continue to update you guys on all the new Halloween stuff to arrive. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you guys for watching.